18:9 panel or the notch are the recent trends about the smartphones. A new trend emerged to say goodbye to these designs. Yes, I am talking about the slider mechanism. But this is an unexpected newcomer that the Mi Mix 3. This is having a magnetic slider which can be slided up to 300,000 times the Xiaomi. The slider supports 24 plus 2 megapixel front-facing cameras with in-car speaker sensors. The main theme that is considered to be the things that are packed inside the Mi Mix 3 is the chipset. The chipset powered in Mi Mix 3 is the Snapdragon 845 built under 10 nanometer process supporting 6 128GB, 8 128 and 8 256 variants. Recently, Mi Mix 3 is launched in China. The 6 128 variant is sold for 3299 yuan and 8 128 is sold for 3599 yuan and the 8 256 variant is sold for 3999 yuan. But Xiaomi doesn't stop from these three variants. There is a special edition which Xiaomi calls it as the Palace Museum Edition, which has a massive 10GB supported by 256GB internal storage, which is offered for 4999 yuan. The smartphone has a 6.39-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display which supports in-display fingerprint scanner. It runs on the MIUI 10 built on Oreo 9.0. As usual, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. A few years back, we all searched for the specs when a new smartphone arrived, but these days we have to check whether there is a 3.5mm headphone jack or not. It ports an 3500 mAh battery which support fast charging. This time, Xiaomi bundles 10W fast charger with this. The slider mechanism is seen in many smartphones like Oppo Find X, Honor Magic 2. But the important thing that it is to be noticed is the slider, which is a magnetic mechanical slider. Xiaomi claims this would be a safer way that no failure would occur while using slider for the selfies and for the call functions, because there is a neodymium permanent magnet present in the Mi Mix 3 which is actually driven by the magnetic force. While we unbox this Mi Mix 3, let's see how good could be the slider. If you like this video, give thumbs up. If no, give thumbs down. And don't forget to comment what you think about the Mi Mix 3.